AI is really helping in the automotive industry. There are a lot of use cases. I'm sure a lot of analysts who are right from the automotive hub will talk about how they're using AI. But this is the 2, 3, 4 initiatives we are taking in our company using AI. I think this is done by my team. So this is the how we are simulating the autonomous car. And just you have environment creation, you have a sensor, object detection. What you gave the demo is essentially what we are trying to do. Most of the blocks are moving from the same thing. And the collision detection, and then so I think this is sort of somebody who's interested after this can really talk to my colleagues to more understand about what is the pattern for autonomous car, how do we test the autonomous car. This is the level behavior. So this has been implemented in some of the two-wheelers. So it gives you a score how you have to get to score yourself while driving, and it can detect who's behind the wheel. So sometimes what happens is good use case in India is that our son takes a car, sometimes 16 years old. So car realizes this is not an actual person who was driving it because it is capturing the behavior. And sometimes it gives cuts also. Right? They go to sleep and they give the cuts to their helpers. So if you have this software, actually it can detect immediately that this is not the right driver. It is not looking at the face, it is not looking at anything, it is just looking at how it's driving the car or driving the truck. And this is the way we have created this. So you can also use that and you can see how you are having the driver. Yes, sir. So, interestingly, I was going to say that this is what happens. So, why we